So next we have Ms. Monica Gupta, a cluster head at IDFC First Bank. And thank you for being Papswa's partner for organizing this event.
Thank you. Thanks. Most welcome. Okay. So, Namaskar from myself, Monica Gupta. I am cluster head in IDFC First Bank, taking care of complete East Delhi, earlier taking part of Noida. So, I'm in the banking for now more than 18 years now. So, completely in retail banking. So, I'm hearing from all the seniors and about the startups and the earlier session also. So, it is really enlightening to hear that Indian government is promoting startup, and the dream of Mr. Modi ji is like make India and the people make the people self independent. जैसे मैम ने बोला ना कि मेरा कोई बॉस नहीं है, आई एम बॉस ऑफ माई सेल्फ, राइट? नहीं, मेरा तो बॉस है बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग, आई हैव अ बॉस, राइट? बट येस, as she said that 365 days, 24 hours, there is no holiday because everybody has a passion towards it to make his or her brand big, right? अगर हम आज से ऑलमोस्ट 8-10 साल पहले की बात करें, किसी ने बोला होगा कि स्विगी जोमेटो आएगा और खाना आपके घर पे आएगा, राइट? तो किसी ने बिलीव नहीं किया होगा कि क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, ये क्या स्टार्टअप होगा, मतलब द फूड विल कम टू योर होम 24 आवर्स, राइट? लेकिन कोई ना कोई ऐसा रहा होगा, इसके दिमाग में ये आया होगा कि नहीं, दिस इज अ गुड स्टार्टअप आइडिया, ऐसा हो सकता है, राइट? एंड व्हेन एनी इन्वेस्टर हैज इन्वेस्टेड दैट मनी, एंड आज की डेट में आप देख लीजिए, अगर सुबह फ़ोन आता है कि शाम को पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट फॉर एनी वन ऑफ अस नाउ, बिकॉज वी नो दैट फूड इज़ एट आवर होम एट वन कॉल अवे, राइट? सेम वे ओला, उबर, घर में गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं, बट पीपल स्टिल प्रेफर कि वी प्रेफर टू हैव दिस. So now being a banking partner with this privileged event, so IDFC First Bank, I think one of my colleague Abhay is already there from the startup team. So IDFC, I'm working with last more than 5 years now. So I worked with ICICI, worked with Axis, but I have never seen such a grand innovation by the IDFC First Bank for startup, and we have a very dedicated team. I heard lots of people regarding the investments and all, but from the banking point of view, because we don't have our own tree of money, right? We are basically the custodians of the public money, right? So before giving any funds for the investment, we have to ensure that we are investing the funds in a right company, because we are also answerable to the investor. That is, my money is safe. But yes, because investor also needs a person to whom he can lend the money, and the person who is taking the money, he also interested that is I am getting a genuine money. ऐसा तो नहीं किसी ने हवाला करके सारा पैसा मेरे नाम कर दिया, right? So here the role of the bank comes, because we are a connector between the investor and the person who is going to start a startup, right? Because as a bank, you know, पहले गोल्ड कॉइन बिकते थे 2014 तक, चाहे वो कॉस्टली था, लेकिन फिर भी लोग बैंक से ही गोल्ड कॉइन लेते थे. द रीजन बिहाइंड इज अ ट्रस्ट फैक्टर, दैट क्रेडिबिलिटी, राइट? कि चाहे मुझे थोड़ा महंगा मिल रहा है, लेकिन ये मुझे सही मिल रहा है, कहीं पे उसको डाउट नहीं था. सो दैट इज वाई द स्टार्टअप टू मेक इंडिया ड्रीम is coming true, and IDFC is playing a very, very vital role in this. I request that any one of you can go to a link, Leap to Unicorn, right? You can see that how IDFC is promoting. There are not the success stories, there is a failure stories also, because success is always not lead to the success. Failure is a very, very important part of it. And when you will click to that link, you came to know that many people have done few mistakes, and from their own mistakes they learn, and then they become the big entrepreneur from their own learnings. Apart from this, because you know that nowadays repo rates are going to decrease day by day. So if we talk about as an investor, so we know that we are not getting any good lucrative rate of interest in FDs, savings, in our current account funds also. So from that perspective also, as an IDFC First Bank, we have a very, very unique feature which we called as a Bravo, which is FD interest on your own current account money. I think there is hardly any bank which is promoting, but yes, an IDFC First Bank, we are giving you this Bravo facility in which you can get an FD rate of interest of 6.25 on your current account money, the balance above 2 lakh on the daily balances. And your FD is made on daily balances. So customer has that comfort that I have a funds in my current accounts, same way startups and all, because obviously whenever they got an investment, right, they have to show their capital money at least for 1 year, 2 year in their balance sheet. And which is, they want that whatever maximum I can get in this money. So this is, and top of it, if any funds have been withdrawn from that Bravo money in terms of FD, we don't charge any foreclosure or premature charges. Like other banks are charging 1%, but we are not charging. And as a startup, Abhay, I think for first 6 months, we are not asking for any account requirement. 3 years. So bank what promotes to startup? Ki when we find that we are going to open this startup account, we don't ask for any commitment to maintain any balance for first 3 years from the bank. No AMB charges, no service charges, no debit card charges, no transactional charges. Bank is giving 3 years कि सर आप अपना बिजनेस संभालिए, अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कीजिए, राइट? आपके पास हमारी तरफ से कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि दैट यू नीड टू मेंटेन एनीथिंग फॉर आवर अकाउंट, राइट? सो my request is that my colleague is there, I am here, I will give you the details also, right? We are available at your workplace also, right? Whenever you find that you need IDFC First Bank as your banking partner, and believe me that we have a very unique features for this startup and very, very good team. I'm looking at the last 4-5 years. And these people are very, very aggressive, and one of the best startups we are promoting from the bank side also, from both sides, the investors as from the new startup. And all the best for all the new startups. We are always here because IDFC, I don't know how many of you have accounts, but must be having. Our first motto line is always you first. So we are since in a new journey. So we always welcome the feedback. Bank is very, very proactive that you are the people who have given us the good feedback that where we can change, we can customize the products for you, where you find that it is a benefit for me. So we as a team sit with you and we will customize the product for you, right? So on the behalf of my team and all the management, thank you very much.